guys, welcome to my channel Tap Repair 01. Today we bring you videos that will show you how to stop water getting through your ridge vents, and that could cause a roof damage, even ceiling damage. So what we're doing, we remove the wall tiles and we install those flashings, and after that we put those tiles back. So we will do the model around the ridge caps, and we match the color with the existing roof. So like you can see, it looks like it's so creepy, but don't worry, you will see the result. Boom, this is the final result. Let me know, what do you think? Leave your comment. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Tap Repair 01. We will see you in the next video.